Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, where makeup is a passion and beauty is contagious. Now, what I'm going to be doing is unveiling my Boxycharm box for the month of January, and I've took a peek in, and I don't really like it. I really don't like it. I'm gonna show you the things that I got and explain to you why I don't like it. So this month's box is Breaking the Ice. Let's see. And this is variation number 16. And what we have in the box for this month is Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer, Dr. Brandt Skincare, Skin&Co Roma, Avant Skincare, Qveen Studio, and that's about it. So let's get into the box. So first up, we have the Skin&Co. Let's see how much this goes for. Alright. This goes for $28. It's a big thing. And what does this do is a delicate exfoliating cream. Okay, you clean your face with it basically. And then you rinse it off. Alright. So next here we have Qveen. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, it's lip gloss or lipstick. Let's see. It is lip matte lip stain, and this goes for $17. I'm not gonna open it because I'll probably be giving it away. Alright, next we have here retinol eye cream. Now I look forward to using this. I've always wanted to try something with retinol in it, and this goes for, let's see here. I don't see it. Dr. Brandt. Okay, Dr. Brandt. And this goes for $55. For this small thing, it better do a miracle. It better change my eyes from brown to blue for $55. So let's see how this looks on the inside. Alright, this is how it looks. Nothing special. Except for the $55 price tag. Anywho, moving right along. So then we have the Pretty Vulgar concealer. Now I'll be keeping it. Now I like this. Let's see if I can just open it. There we go. Alright. I don't want to swatch it because I'm probably not going to use it right off. But that's how it looks. Okay, last but not least, we have the Avant. And this goes for OMG, $107 for this little bitty thing. It's a sleeping mask that you put on at night. Wow. $107. Now this whole entire box only costed me $25 plus tax. So $27, and this is things that I got off in it. Wow. Now what I don't like about this box, as I was saying from the beginning, is that it was all beauty creams, etc. And I can't use any everything on my face because the last stuff I've been using that I got in one of these boxes, it's been constantly keeping my face broke out. No matter how much I clean my face, I let it set for 30 minutes. Well, from 10 to 30 minutes, I let it sit on my face. Then I clean it off with alcohol to get rid of the grease and the unplugged pores. And still yet, I'm breaking out from using it, even doing that routine. So I noticed that when I don't use the creams, no matter what company it's from, I'm not breaking out at all. Now, I have a bunch of moles in my face. So you can imagine moles in your face along with scarring from pimples or blackheads. And I don't even bust some. So it's no way in the world it should be leaving black scars behind because I don't bust them. I just treat them like that, and within 2 days using the alcohol treatment, it is all the way down to really nothing. But it's still leaving a scar behind doing that routine. But so I'll probably find someone to give these to since I've paid for them, and go from there. So depending on when you're watching this, you have a good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, night, and God bless. Bye.